Planning your summer vacation just got way easier. Google has dropped a wave of powerful updates to Search, Maps, and Gemini that'll make trip planning faster, smarter, and way more fun. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more updates like this, and drop a comment with where you're headed this summer. Google Search's AI overviews can now help you dream up travel ideas with just one prompt. Type something like, "Create an itinerary for Costa Rica with a focus on nature," and it'll give you a full itinerary, complete with photos, reviews, and an interactive map. You can export the itinerary straight to Google Docs, Gmail, or save it as a custom list in Google Maps. This new feature is available now in English on both mobile and desktop in the US. Gemini is also stepping up with something called Gems. These are personalized AI tools that you can now create for free. Want your own travel assistant? Build a gem to help you choose destinations, pack efficiently, and plan your days. It's all inside Gemini, no premium required. And Google isn't stopping there. If you've been tracking flights for price drops, good news. Google is bringing that same feature to hotels. You can now track hotel prices for specific dates and destinations. Use filters like star rating or beach access, and if the price drops, Google will send you an email alert. This update is rolling out globally on mobile and desktop. Another new feature helps solve the classic "I took a screenshot but forgot why" problem. Google Maps can now scan your screenshots and pull out places of interest, restaurants, landmarks, you name it. Then drop them onto your map so you can save and organize everything in one view. It's live this week for iOS users in the US, with Android coming soon. So whether you're just dreaming about a getaway or deep into vacation planning, Google's tools are now smarter than ever and ready to help. Make sure to check out the related video in the corner for more ways AI is changing how we travel.